Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys in a second how to do a $9 manicure for holidays. So I have it on my nails right now, and I just alternated black with silver, red with silver, kind of like a candy cane theme inspired. What I used was a 2Z sample I received from my friend who does Color Street, and if you're familiar with Color Street, they're basically nail strips that you put on. They last a really long time. They're adhesive, and you take them off with regular nail polish. And so I was given 2 strips, and so I actually was able to turn them into 4. And then on the other nails, I did this red Ginger Snap Essie. So if you don't have any nail strips, you can also just use an Essie. This color is Twinkle in Time, so I thought this would be really cute together as well. But I use the nail strips in the video that you will see. So stay tuned to watch my very inexpensive and fun to do at-home manicure for the holidays. Okay, so I have my nails bare and I'm going to do a holiday theme incorporating my 2Z sample. These were sent to me and it's like a holiday, pretty white, silvery color. So let me see what the name of this one is. Home Sweet Home. So I only have the 2. I'm gonna try to make 4 out of them. I saw this girl and she was able to make 4 by using the entire strip and cutting it in half. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, and then alternate with the red Ginger Snap from Essie. So before I do the Ginger Snap, I'm gonna just do a red coat underneath it to kind of saturate the color. So this one's called Forever Yummy. So that one I'm gonna do the my ring finger. I'm gonna use the nail strips, so I'll leave that one. And this color is pretty nicely saturated, so I might only just do 1 coat and then do the second coat as the glitter. I'll do it on my thumb as well. Okay, so I have my thumb, middle finger, and pinky on red. So these are vacuum sealed, these strips. And I don't see, oh yeah, there is a tear here. Okay, so I'm just going to open them. And these are very similar. I don't know if you've ever tried the Sally Hansen nail strips. I believe the owner of this company actually sold his technology at one point to Sally Hansen, but these are pretty much the identical nail strips that I used to always use. So I'm just gonna wait for my coat to dry a little bit more before I put on my first strip. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to use the smaller, thinner strip here on my ring finger. And I'm gonna try to save the top half for my other hand, hopefully. If not, then I'll just use the one. But what you do is you peel off the top layer and then the bottom layer, the silver tab. And this is the part on the bottom that's gonna adhere to your nail. So I'll go ahead and flip it so I can use this top part to kind of maneuver the strip and press it on the center. That looks pretty good. And seal it around. And then I'm going to pull up on the strip. Oh, there we go. Okay, hopefully that's enough for my other hand. And press down and tuck it under my nail bed and get a nice tight fit there. Okay, so now I'm going to file the top portion. There you go. So that one is done. And now I will try to use the other half that did not rip. Perfect. All right, I'm excited I got a double wear out of this one strip. Now I will gather it and tuck it under and then file. All right, so I did that kind of slow because it's my first time using strips in a while. I didn't want to rip the top, but it came out pretty good. So I think I'm gonna do my index finger on each end with the rest of the color strip on the second color strip. So again, you just peel off the top purple layer, cleared purple, and then the silver portion. And align it into the center. Push down and around and just pull. I want to break it and get close to the nail as possible to save this one. All right, awesome. So I'm gonna refine this one in a second while I do the other hand. So let me put this one down. And the cool thing about these is you can lift them up. If you didn't get it aligned the first time, and the adhesive part is still gonna do its thing. So there's that. I'm gonna go grab a cuticle tool. Okay, so I'm gonna press down with my cuticle tool to get that bottom portion released. Yay. And push down. Now I'll do the top by folding over and using my file. Okay, and now let me go back. So there's this nail. And push this down a little bit more. Get that excess. Grab my cuticle tool, push and round it out. And there we go. That's what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna go with my ginger snap glitter on my red portion, so they're all gonna be cute and glittery now. Okay, so voila, my $9 at-home manicure is complete. All that I basically used was a red that I already had at home, and then this was the $9 SC in a ginger snap from CVS, and then I used the 2Z sample, which turned into a 4Z on both of my ring and index fingers. So I am super happy with how this came out. Again, it was $9. I spent like close to $40 on holiday manicures at nail salons before. So this is just a simple at-home manicure that anyone can basically do. And again, this was with the Color Straight nail strips and just some matching Essie polish as well. Thank you so much for watching my nail tutorial. I'm super excited to get my hands on more Color Straight nail strips, and stay tuned for some videos coming up about more about what Color Straight's all about and some more tutorials. Nail strips are one of my favorite products to use. They're super good on your nails. They don't ruin or damage your nails like gels or acrylics, and they last a lot longer than traditional nail polish. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.